everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And today we are going to be unboxing The Lord of the Rings, the War of the Rohirrim. Now, I personally really like this movie. I know that some Lord of the Ring fans have issues with it, and yeah, I'll admit the main protagonist is not as well developed as she could be, but it's got beautiful animation, great action sequences. I love the soundtrack. I don't think anything wrong with it. It's better than a couple of the Hobbit movies, in my opinion. And this is a Steelbook edition that is already selling out in some places. I believe it's sold out on Amazon. I believe it is sold out at Walmart. I did get this at Barnes & Noble, and I did not quite pay this much, but as you can see, this is the state of physical media and why we got to be a lot more choosy about what we actually buy. Now, I love this. It doesn't have the title of the movie on the front, which I actually think is kind of almost like a ballsy thing to do. Like, you are so confident that people will recognize what your movie is, you don't even put the title on it. That's pretty cool, although the title is on the side, lest you get too upset. Now, on the back, you can get a glimpse of some of this beautiful animation, and you can see that Peter Jackson still presents it, which basically means, yeah, he got paid to put his name on there. And this is Adobe Vision and Atmos disc. It does have some special features on there. Now let's open it and see what it looks like on the inside, because there is a chance that by the time you see this video, you might not be able to get this in the store anymore. And in that case, videos like mine are how you see what they look like. Oh, it looks even more beautiful when you have the plastic off of it. Oh, I love, that's really cool. I like that artwork. By the way, I'm also taking the opportunity to take away the digital code because I'm going to keep it. All right, moment of truth. What's inside? Ooh, oh, this is super nice. Okay, look, okay, studios, take note. This is a simple yet elegant way to make your DVD stand out. They don't have to be pure black or pure blue. You could put just a little bit of thought into the design. It looks like, it's like, it kind of almost feels like the map. They didn't really put the map on those discs, but, you know, it makes it feel like it. And look, there's the map of Rohan. Very, very cool. Now, again, these bumps kind of simulate the map, even though it doesn't really say much of anything. And look, they still had the black for the 4K, but they made it green for the Blu-ray, which is nice because, you know, these are very green movies. I don't know if you paid attention, but, you know, a lot of forests and stuff in these movies. So the movies have like a strong green hue to it. So anyway, that is a nice little Steelbook, I have to admit. That might be one of the nicest looking Steelbooks I've gotten in a while. Now, again, it seems to be selling out, so if you want it, you might want to hurry and get it quickly before you have to start buying scalped copies on eBay and Mercari. But this is just really cool. I think this movie definitely got the short end of the stick. Like, I don't know why people hated it so much. I know some people say, well, it's not like the original Lord of the Rings trilogy. Like, well, a few things are. I just think it's really cool that they kept the series going in an anime film that got like a wide release. I saw it in IMAX. It was really cool. Like, man, if I could tell my 10-year-old self that at one point anime would be so mainstream, it would be funded by major studios and put on the biggest screens possible. Of course, I was also ignorant in the sense that I didn't realize a lot of anime would be going on big screens in Japan and other places in the world, but you know, that's not either here nor there. So anyway, yeah, this is a great little release. I'm curious, did any of you get it? What do you think of it? And if you haven't gotten it, do you want it? Why or why not? I'd like to know. Just comment below. And as always, I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So you know, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.